In India, every year 1 million engineers approximately give the entrance examinations, and approximately 2 million doctors sit for NEET every year. आपका नंबर कितना बड़ा? That is 10 लाख 20 लाख. And इनमें से कुछ ही लोग सक्सेसफुल हो पाते हैं obviously. And to be successful, to do something, and if you want to outshine others, you have to do something that is different from normal approach, right? And वो आप कैसे करोगे? When you have a creative approach, when you think about a problem, uh, a solution that is different from what others are thinking, right? And इसी से मुझे एक बहुत inspirational story याद आई. He is one of my idols, and he has always been. He was such a down to earth man. You talk about a man. I let me. So once he was sitting in his car, and उनके side में Activa थी. On Activa there was a couple with their child, and बारिश हो रही, तो वो तीनों भीग रहे थे. Okay, and then he was sitting there and in his car. Then he thought कि I should make something जो common man भी afford कर सके. Someone who is not so financially stable, even वो एक गाड़ी खरीद सके. Yes, you are absolutely right. His name was Ratan Tata, and his sad demise shocked all of us. But he was a man of ambition. He was a man of dreams. हमने टाटा का नमक खाया. Yes. And this is the story about the man who pursued the dream of making the most affordable car in India. This is what a man with ambitions can do, right? So this is why creative approach is necessary. This is why creative approach is important. But today is a master class by myself, and I am going to tell you the important things that are required at this competition. So first things first, let me tell you the important dates. Okay. So first of all, the important dates are that is the zonals. They will be starting from 30 November to 30th November in different venues on different dates. Okay, and I will tell you the dates. And then we will have finale that will be on 27th December. There is one more thing. Let me make it clear. So my mentoring session, the technical mentoring session, where I will be personally teaching every student here how to make a robot, how to wire it, control it, and many other things. It's a workshop that will be happening somewhere between 20 and 30. We'll let you know the final dates. Okay, and we will uh, write the final dates and communicate it with you. But that's something for the later stage. Right now, let's focus on the dates where zonals will be happening. So in Chhattisgarh, it's on 13th November, Odisha 14th November, Delhi NCR, that is First Global School, Noida, we will be having on 15th November, Haryana Moga Devi Minda Memorial School, Hisar, that is 9th November, Haryana, and then we have Punjab, Bhupendra Public School, BIPS Patiala, that is on 20th November. Then again in Haryana, we have Soniprasth Public School, Sonipat, and it will be happening on 22nd and 23rd November. Then we have Doon Convent School, Haldwani, on 26th November. In Maharashtra, we have Sanjeevani Academy, Kopargaon, on where we will be having on 27th and 28th November. Then we have Satyaprakash Public School in Jabalpur, where the zonals will be held on 30th November. So I hope you all are clear with the dates, and your school must have already informed you about these important dates. So be prepared accordingly. Okay. Now the main thing is that, have you seen the problem statement? A lot of students come to me and say, "Sir, करना क्या है?" Yes. What do we have to do? इसके अंदर robot बन जाता है. Actually करना क्या है? Okay. So for once and let me hear a problem statement. What you have to do? See. Can you see the yellow and black boxes? एक लेफ्ट में है, एक राइट में, एक में. These black boxes are hurdles like this. This is a bridge. Okay, as a bridge kind of है. And then what you have to do is you have to what you have to do is you have to start, and your robot will start from here, that is where the start button is written, and then you will move forward, and then cross the obstacles. And यहाँ पे as you can see यहाँ पे 5 blue boxes रखे हैं. Can you see boxes का weight बहुत कम होगा, they will be very light. Yes. And can you see the 5 blue boxes? इन पे alphabet लिखा होगा, any alphabet A to Z के बीच में. Then what you have to do is you have to move from here to here and then go straight, and in 5 boxes पे there would be 5 alphabets written on it. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to pick a block. You have to pick a block, and then with the help of your robot आप उसे लेके आओगे all the way down to the circle. वहां पे आप place करोगे. Okay, and then you have to place 3 boxes, 3 ऐसे blue color के blocks आपको सर्कल के अंदर प्लेस करने. नाउ देयर आर सर्टेन रूल्स की पॉइंट्स कैसे मिलेंगे, डिडक्ट कैसे होंगे, बट इसमें क्या है कि फॉर एग्जांपल 5 अल्फाबेट्स आर गिवन देयर. सो आपको जो 3 बॉक्सेस आप चूज करोगे, ऑब्वियसली यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग सर 5 है सर्कल, सो 3 है. आपको 3 अल्फाबेट्स ही चूज करने. यू ओनली हैव टू चूज 3 अल्फाबेट्स बॉक्सेस जिन पे अल्फाबेट्स लिखे हुए हैं, एंड आपको ऐसे प्लेस करना है दैट दे फॉर्म अ वर्ड. ये जो सर्कल पे प्लेस करोगे ना, दे शुड फॉर्म अ वर्ड. बैट, कैट, रैट, मैट, हैट, समथिंग लाइक दैट. 3 अल्फाबेट्स का एक वर्ड फॉर्म होना चाहिए. दिस इज द एडिशनल चैलेंज दैट वी हैव एडेड. So let me repeat it again. होना क्या है, you will start your robot from the blue square जहाँ पे start लिखा हुआ है. Then you will move forward crossing all the hurdles and the spaces. आप center से भी जा सकते हो, but it will save time if you cross the hurdle. This black and red block, this would be shaped something like this. Okay, like a semicircular hurdle. Then you will move on to the 5 blocks, and tactically आप ऐसा ब्लॉक चूज करोगे जिसे आप पिक कर सकते हो, एंड देन आप उसे ले जाके सर्कल पे प्लेस करोगे. देन यू विल गो अगेन टू द सेकंड ब्लॉक. टैक्टिकली चूज करोगे वर्ड कौन सा फॉर्म करना है, देन उसी अल्फाबेट का जो ब्लॉक है उसको आप पिक करोगे. देन यू विल कम बैक, प्लेस इट ऑन द सेकंड सर्कल, गो बैक अगेन देयर, पिक अ थर्ड ब्लॉक जिस पे अल्फाबेट लिखा होगा. टैक्टिकली यू विल चूज द ब्लॉक एंड देन कम बैक डाउन and place it on the third circle. Okay, so this is this your problem statement, and let me for once just go through the problem statement, because a lot of you were thinking ki sir problem statement kya hai, kaise karna hai. Okay, so this is the problem statement that we are talking about. So design the ultimate drag and place robot. Okay, so I hope you are able to see my screen. Yes or no? All right. Okay. So I think you can all see my screen. Okay. Now what happens is that get ready to unleash your creativity and problem solving skills in Creativity League's 2024 RoboQuest Challenge. Your mission is to design and build a wirelessly controlled robot that can navigate a complex arena, strategically drag objects and precisely locate them. ब्लॉक्स को ड्रैग करना है, ऑब्वियसली लिफ्ट नहीं करना है, ड्रैग करना है, एंड देन you have to relocate it to the place. Now the RoboQuest controller is compulsory for this challenge and contains all the necessary components that you will need. So last year, don't worry about it, we will talk about the RoboQuest controller later, but अभी important चीज पे ध्यान देते हैं. What is the important thing कि ये challenge क्या है, करना क्या है. Okay, so you must use a multiple piece chassis for any kit to design a unique robot. आपको एक robot बनाना है. Okay, and as a part of the challenge आपको to solve a 3-letter word from jumbled blocks. तो as I have already told you, वहाँ पे there would be 5 blocks jumbled, and उनमें से आपको 3 blocks choose करने जिन पे alphabets लिखे. Now you have to choose कि क्या बनाना है, कैसे बनाना है. Okay, and then कुछ criterias है robots के. So first of all, the your robot should be wirelessly controlled. Second, जो मोटर की स्पीड है वो मैक्सिमम 150 आरपीएम होनी चाहिए, दैट इज 150 राउंड्स पर मिनट. इससे तेज मोटर नहीं होनी चाहिए. एंड जब आप कंपटीशन पे आओगे, so we would be using a tachometer. Now what is a tachometer? It is a device that checks the rpm of the motors. So we will make sure that the maximum rpm is near around 150 rpms. Okay, so you have to navigate the area manually, मतलब खुद से control करके you have to take your robot wherever you want to, and then efficiently drag and reposition objects within the arena. So आपको block लेके जाना है and then place it on the circle. Yes, and adhere to all size, weight and electrical specifications. So आपको वो rule book में बता रखा है, but the basics are कि at any point the voltage in your robot should not exceed 12 volts. 12 volts is the limit. Okay, and you can also go to the rule book and there are multiple criterias given. Website पे जाइए creativityleague.com and there you can see multiple criterias. आपका robot कैसा होना चाहिए, electrical specification, everything is given there. Just you have to read the manual carefully. So there is no ambiguity in the problem statement. Okay, now grant prizes, obviously you will be getting a life changing trip to ISRO and additional prizes, cash prizes, this that, a STEM program. Okay, so it is all there for you. Now, let me guide you through some of the specific rules and regulations. So, first of all, the main part of the body should not exceed 25 centimeter by 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter. That is length, width, and height. Okay, so I request everyone to go and bring a notebook with you. So you have either two options. आप एक notebook ले आइए and note these important details because this is a very important session. So note down these details with a pen and paper so that आपको बाद में confusion ना हो. Or otherwise you can just download this PDF. We will be sharing the link of this PDF as well. Okay, so it's totally up to you. And a tolerance of plus minus 5% is allowed. That means for example 25 ka 26 या 27 centimeter that is okay, but it should not be 30 centimeters. Okay, thoda bahut tolerance is there. And only one RoboQuest controller is allowed for programming and control. So, okay, we'll talk about the RoboQuest controller later. And wireless communication integration. So you have to communicate through Bluetooth. Okay, uh, Bluetooth connectivity is allowed. So don't come later say Wi-Fi से connect या फिर RF से connect करना है या फिर this या फिर that. So उसके अंदर Bluetooth module है. So it should be communicated by Bluetooth technology only. Ready-made assemblies, participants are not allowed to use ready-made mechanical assemblies in their robot. Must use multiple piece chassis from any kit to design a unique and innovative robot. So it is not like that कि आपने एक suspension system लिया कहीं से, Amazon से suspension system मंगा लिया, यहाँ से वो मंगा लिया, वहाँ से वो मंगा लिया, नहीं. All of your robot should be designed and made by you. ओके, क्योंकि हम आपकी इनोवेशन देखना चाहते हैं. वी डोंट वांट कि आप कहीं से कोई चीज मंगाओ एंड देन जस्ट पेस्ट इट. सो उसमें देयर इज नो इनोवेशन. वी वांट कि आप एक्चुअली उस चैसी को डिजाइन करो, उसमें आप जो चीज बना रहे हो वो आप खुद से बनाओ, राइट? Then AC power supply will not be provided or allowed during the competition. So don't think, because obviously we are going to use DC batteries, so there will be no AC power supply given to you. All is supported by 12 volt DC. And maximum overall diameter, wheel का जो maximum diameter है that should be 8 centimeter. 8 का 9 होगा चलेगा, but 8 का 10 होगा it won't be allowed. Okay, because again plus minus 5%. Okay, and then maximum width should be 2 centimeters. जो wheel की चौड़ाई है, that is the width of the wheel, should not be greater than 2 centimeters. Electrical specifications, 12 volt exceed नहीं करना चाहिए. Motors की RPM 150 RPM से ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. The arena will have different levels of complexity, providing a dynamic challenge. Blocks will be placed strategically within the arena. Programming, the robot must be pre-programmed before the start of each round. Teams are not allowed to reprogram the bot once the competition has started. Okay, and competition rounds tasks will be given, and these are some scoring criteria. So अगर आप अपना task under 5 minutes perform करते हो, so you will get 40 points for that. If under 4 minutes, you will get 60 points. If under 3 minutes, 80 points. And if under 2 minutes, you will get 100 points for that. अब blocks का placement उसमें भी last year की तरह similarly we are going to award points, and that is if you have a perfect placement of the block inside the circle, you will be getting 20 points. If there is a near perfect placement, that is some part of the block is touching the circle, you will get 10 points. And if no part of the block touches the circle, then you will getting 0 points for the placement. Okay, complete arena scoring, only one block competition, only one block competition, only two block competition. So only one block completion. So if you are able to place only one block in the circle, you will get 10 points, two blocks 20 points, and all three blocks completion 30 points. And अगर आप परफेक्ट वर्ड फॉर्मेशन, अगर आप उससे वर्ड भी फॉर्म कर दो, बैट कैट हैट मैट समथिंग लाइक दैट, सो यू विल गेट एडिशनल 5 points for that. Time points for incomplete maze. So deduct 5 points for every 30 seconds over the time limit. Max time limit is 7 minutes. Okay, so if you are taking more than 7 minutes to complete, so आपके हर 30 seconds में 5 points deduct होते चले जाएंगे. Then any block crosses arena's boundary will be disqualified and marks will not be awarded. Then you have touching boundary wall will awarded negative points. So अगर आप जो अरीना है उसकी बाउंड्री या वॉल को टच करते हो, so -2 points for every bump. Special bonus if you use bump, plus 2 points for each bump per letter. If you cross a bump multiple times while dragging same letter block, this bonus will not be avoided. So अगर आप block, जो आपका block है, I have shown you कि yellow and black boxes है वहाँ पे. So अगर आप अपने robot को ले जाते हो एंड ऑब्स्टिकल पार करते टाइम इफ यू पुश योर ब्लॉक ऑब्स्टिकल के ऊपर से, तो एक्स्ट्रा 2 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. like this is your obstacle and आप block को drag कर रहे हो, and if you use the block and drag it all the way across the obstacle, so आपको extra 2 points मिलेंगे. Okay, so this is the whole problem statement. I hope you are thoroughly clear. Okay, so moving on. Now you all were asking कि सर ये RoboQuest controller क्या है? What is this RoboQuest controller? Why do we have to use it? कुछ और use नहीं कर सकते क्या सर? Okay, so for once and all, let me clear all the doubts that you are having. So let me tell you a small story. Last year क्या हुआ? That some of our younger friends from grade 5 grade and grade 6, so they worked very hard. बहुत मेहनत करी उन्होंने एक कंट्रोलर बनाने के लिए, ब्लूटूथ मोटर ड्राइवर सब एक साथ लगाने के लिए दिन रात मेहनत करी. Okay, but then there were some kids who were older to them from grade 8 9 and so उन्होंने क्या किया. So obviously they are your big brothers and sisters and उनको ज्यादा पता है because they are in bigger classes, so they made more technically advanced controllers. कोई वाईफाई से चलता है, कोई रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी से चलता है, कोई ब्लूटूथ से चलता है, कोई पुश बटन्स की हेल्प लेता है. ओके, सो जो हमारे यंगर फ्रेंड्स हैं, दैट इज आ यंगर स्टूडेंट्स, यंगर इनोवेटर्स, उनको एक डिसएडवांटेज हुआ कि सर हम तो छोटी क्लास में, हम कैसे बना सकते हैं वाईफाई से, आरएफ से, हमें तो पता भी नहीं है क्या होता है. सो आई थॉट कि देखो अनफेयर तो है, सबके लिए सेम लेवल होना चाहिए. दिस इज एन इनोवेटिव कंपटीशन, एवरीवन शुड बी ऑन द सेम प्लेटफॉर्म, राइट? सो दिस ईयर व्हाट वी डिड, we created a controller that is mandatory for everyone. एक टीम है उसमें एक RoboQuest कंट्रोलर मैंडेटरी है ही है. यू हैव टू यूज ओनली द RoboQuest कंट्रोलर. ओके, इससे क्या होगा, व्हाट आर द advantages? एक तो everyone would be on the same platform. Yes, so if you are a junior kid or if you are a senior kid, it doesn't matter, all of you are on the same platform, all of you would be participating through the same controller. Now it is on your skills कि आप कैसे control करते हो, right? So this is one thing. And then it is versatile control, and it is very easy to handle. Obviously there is wireless communication, so आपको wires drag नहीं करने पड़ेंगे arena के ऊपर. Then there is a large community support. Okay, everyone would be there to help you out. You will be getting sessions, trainings and everything. And customization and flexibility, so you can customize it according to yourself. आप उसमें कोडिंग, वैसे तो it is pre-programmed, but if you want to do something innovative, which we say that you should be innovative, and आप खुद से कोई कोड लेके आते हो कि मेरा रोबोट तो ऐसे अच्छा काम करता है, you are fully allowed to customize it according to yourself. Okay, and it is open source for future application. So for example, आपको आगे कोई robot बनाना है, आगे कुछ control करना है, so it's not like that कि once the competition is over this controller is completely useless. No, you can use this controller in many of the controlling applications. आपको X control करना है, Y control करना है, कोई robot control करना है, कुछ और चीज control करनी है, you are fully allowed to use this controller in anything जिसको भी आपको Bluetooth से control करना है. Okay, and last year I faced a problem that some of our younger innovators, they were a bit, what do we say, they were a bit reluctant, or the better word is, उनको थोड़ी सी परेशानी हुई ब्लूटूथ, मोटर ड्राइवर, आर्डुइनो एंड अदर सच इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स के बारे में समझने, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली दे आर वेरी यंग. ओके, बट लास्ट ईयर समहाउ आई टॉट माय स्टूडेंट्स हाउ टू कनेक्ट दीज थिंग्स, बट ऑब्वियसली दिस डजंट मेक सेंस कि वो बहुत यंग क्लासेस में एंड देन दे शुड learn about these things, उनसे प्रॉब्लम फेस होती है and then they get stressed out. That is why this is a controller that is has a all in one combination of a Bluetooth, motor driver and Arduino, which is open source. Okay, so हमारे younger friends को भी कोई problem नहीं होगी. Okay, so this is what I wanted to talk about. Now, coming to your question कि सर मेंटरिंग क्या है, कब मिलेगी, कैसे मिलेगी. ओके, सो व्हाट इज मेंटरिंग एंड व्हाई इज मेंटरिंग इंपॉर्टेंट. देखो, so as a student, I know obviously when I was a student too, so you must have participated in 3, 4, 5, 10 competitions in your time. Okay, so you have a little knowledge, but some of you might not have knowledge about this and maybe new to the world of robotics. I, as an instructor, I have taught over 5,000 students and handled their queries, problems of their issues. Sir, Bluetooth में issue आ रहा है, robot में issue आ रहा है, motor driver में issue आ रहा है. Sir, this, that. I have seen a lot and lots of queries from my students. Yes, so I have seen lots of queries, issues, and क्या होता है कि what do we say, a man learns from his experiences, and in the past few years I have learned from my experience कि एक रोबोट में क्या क्या टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती है, इश्यूज आ सकते हैं, वायरिंग प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती है, मोटर ड्राइवर, ब्लूटूथ, आर्डुइनो इश्यूज आ सकते हैं, स्लिपिंग के इश्यूज आ सकते हैं, ग्रैबिंग के इश्यूज आ सकते हैं, कंपोनेंट्स लूज होने के इश्यूज आ सकते हैं, स्टिकिंग के इश्यूज आ सकते हैं, कनेक्टिविटी के इश्यूज आ सकते हैं. सो आई हैव सीन so many students come to me with different challenges and I have helped them solve all of their challenges. So the thing is that I have taught so many students, so mujhe, I as a mentor, I have experience that how can you win this game. So obviously your if you have a mentor, he will guide you कि बेटा रोबोट बनाना कैसे है, उसको अच्छे से how do you make a strong sturdy robot जो आराम से खराब ना हो. Obviously you will also have a mentor's support. They will guide you in times of need. Yes, so what happens is they will be guiding you कि बेटा you should do this, you should do that, this is beneficial for your robot, because उन्हें experience है. They have years of experience guiding, training and teaching this technology to thousands of students over a period of time. Yes, so obviously you will be getting a hands-on experience, so you will be getting a workshop from my side as well. I will tell you how to avail the workshop. And then you have collaborative learning, so working in teams, problem solving and innovating. So you will be working in teams, okay, and your mentor will be guiding you. You will be making something really really amazing and innovative. So that is where a mentor changes the game. ठीक है, so a mentor is like an experienced person जो आपको guide करेगा and he will show you the right path. Okay, so do you know how to control your robot wirelessly? I'm sure some of you might know it and कुछ new students के लिए थोड़ा सा difficult हो. So this is what we are going to do. अब होता क्या है? See, let me explain this to you in very simple terms. So this is the Bluetooth control app. It is available on Play Store. on Android phones. And what you have to do is simple. You have to download this app. Now आपका जो RoboQuest controller है उसको आपको power up करना है, ठीक है, अडेप्टर से कनेक्टर से. यू हैव टू पावर अप योर कंट्रोलर एंड देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू टेक योर फोन, ओपन करना अपना फोन. एंड जैसे आई एम श्योर आप सभी यू मस्ट ऑल हैव ईयरफोन्स, वायरलेस ईयरफोन्स, ईयरबड्स या समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो आपको ब्लूटूथ कनेक्ट करना आता है. ओके, आई एम अज्यूमिंग दिस कि ब्लूटूथ तो इज अ वेरी बेसिक टेक्नोलॉजी दैट मोस्ट ऑफ अस यूज दीस डेज. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज आपको अपने फोन का ब्लूटूथ ऑन करना है. किया, एंड देन यू पेयर अ न्यू डिवाइस. जैसे आपको नया ईयरफोन पेयर करना है, सो आप कनेक्ट न्यू डिवाइसेस पे जाते हो, रिफ्रेश रिफ्रेश. देन when the RoboQuest controller is on and आप refresh करोगे, so you will see a Bluetooth module name on it. उस पे लिखा होगा HC05. Okay, there would be written HC05. Click on that module. किसी किसी के पे लिखा होगा HC05 और some would have written HC06. It's perfectly fine. And then what you have to do, you have to click on it and वो एक password मांगेगा. So the password of the Bluetooth module is usually 1234 और 0000. इन दोनों में से एक पासवर्ड ट्राई कर लेना. यूजुअली द पासवर्ड इज ईदर 1234 और 0000. ओके, एंड just connect it. Now your Bluetooth module has been paired with your phone. Now all you have to do is uh, open the Bluetooth control app and आपको एक ऐसा सा इंटरफेस दिखेगा. It is a very simple interface, very very simple and easy to use. Now click on this red button. Can you see top left corner में there is a circle? Yes, click on it. And now it will show you a list of all the Bluetooth devices that have been paired to your phone. And what you have to do is आपको HC05 या HC06 पे click करना है and boom, connected. It is as simple as that. Okay, power on the RoboQuest controller, Bluetooth on करना है, refresh, search for new devices, see HC05 or HC06, pair with them, password is 1234 or 0000. Then आपको simple Bluetooth controller app खोलनी है. Click on the button on the left hand side and वहां पे आपको दिखेगा your Bluetooth module's name, HC05 or HC06, right? And all you have to do is just click on it and it automatically pairs with your Bluetooth device. Now when you press forward, it will move forward, backward, backward, right, right, left and left. Okay, and you can add more features according to your coding skills, according to yourself. Okay, then दिस इज एक्चुअली द लॉजिक बिल्डिंग कि हम कैसे करते हैं ये जो कोडिंग हम करते हैं. तो जो डिटेल होगा कोड का आई विल बी शेयरिंग विद यू इन माय सेशंस, इन माय क्लासेस. ओके, बट फॉर द मोमेंट आई विल बी शेयरिंग दिस कि ऐसे हम लॉजिक कैसे बिल्ड करते हैं. ओके, सो हम क्या करते हैं, वी यूज इफ एंड स्विच केस. दीज आर टू थिंग्स दैट आर यूज्ड इन कोडिंग. सो इफ सीरियल डॉट अवेलेबल मीन्स कि हम चेक करते हैं कि ब्लूटूथ से कोई कमांड आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही. मतलब मान लो हमने फोन पे बटन प्रेस किया फॉरवर्ड का और ब्लूटूथ को कोई कमांड ही नहीं आई, तो रोबोट कैसे चलेगा. So first we check if serial dot available greater than 0 means it is receiving some command. Yes or no? Okay. So if it is true that your Bluetooth is receiving some character A, B, C, D, E, F, G, okay, then we go into switch command. तो switch case क्या होता है कि for example अगर alphabet A receive हुआ, so it will go to the case जहाँ पे A लिखा हुआ है. इन दिस केस स्विच के अंदर कमांड लिखी है और कमांड के अंदर क्या स्टोर्ड है, वो कैरेक्टर जो हमारे फोन से आया है. फॉर एग्जांपल यू प्रेस फॉरवर्ड बटन, तो फॉरवर्ड बटन प्रेस करने पे इट सेंड्स अ कैरेक्टर एफ टू योर ब्लूटूथ मॉड्यूल. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इज योर ब्लूटूथ मॉड्यूल वुड बी देयर एंड इट विल चेक क्या केस एफ है. And if the case is F, it will use the forward function. That means it will rotate both of your motors forward. Similarly, अगर character B receive हुआ है, so it will move both the motors backward. Left तो एक motor right, एक motor opposite. Forward एक motor backward. And if the case is R, so उस left का opposite. So this is the basic logic building कि आप logic कैसे build करते हो किसी code में. So, and the whole code will be also shared with you in my masterclass. That is the sessions that I will be taking. Okay, so don't worry about it. I will be teaching each and everything. There are slides for you. There are days dedicated for you जहाँ पे मैं एक एक चीज सिखाऊंगा. It is a long 6 days workshop where you will be learning each and everything. Don't worry about it. So this was just a brief that I wanted to share with all of my passionate innovators, that what is coding, how to innovate it, how to begin with it. Okay, so this was just a brief. And moving on, I have a gift for you. Do you want to know the gift? If yes, please type yes in the chat box. पता तो चले कि सबको गिफ्ट चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए. Okay, I am getting some response. I want responses from everyone. I want ki gift chahiye. So you should say, sir, yes, please. I want this gift. Only then I will be giving you a gift. Okay, a lot of amazing, amazing responses. Beautiful. Okay, so the gift is that I will be giving the participants, those who will be buying the kit, a workshop somewhere between 21 and 30 October. Okay, so the actual dates will be shared with you. The exact dates will be shared कि ये कब होगा, but be sure that it is after 21st October or around 21 October. Okay, तब आपका, and it will end before Diwali. It is a 6 days workshop. And see, the RoboQuest controller is mandatory. वो आपको लेना पड़ेगा बिकॉज सेम प्लेटफॉर्म पे रहना है सबको. बट इफ यू आर गोइंग अहेड एंड बाइंग द मैकेन्जो किट, सो उसके फायदे क्या है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आपको टेंशन नहीं लेनी कि रोबोट का ये पीस कहाँ से मंगाए, वो पीस कहाँ से मंगाए. एवरीथिंग इज देयर, एवरीथिंग इज इनसाइड दैट किट. आपको एक भी चीज बाहर से नहीं लानी. सेकेंड, इफ यू बाय द किट, you will be getting a free workshop from me. आई विल बी गाइडिंग यू फॉर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. कैसे रोबोट बनाना है, टैक्टिक्स क्या होते हैं, सेंटर ऑफ मास क्या होता है, सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी क्या होता है, हाउ टू कीप योर रोबोट स्टेबल, कम्युनिकेशन कैसे बेटर बिल्ड हो सकती है, एंड व्हाट आर द बेटर एडवांटेज ऑफ यूजिंग योर रोबोट बिल्डिंग स्किल्स, कैसे उसको डिजाइन किया जाए एफिशिएंटली, टर्न्स पे कैसे हैंडल करना है. एवरीथिंग विल बी देयर इन दिस वर्कशॉप, एंड आई विल बी गिविंग यू सम गोल्डन पॉइंट्स एज वेल. So this is going to be a masterclass from my side, and this is for the students, those who take the kit from us. So I have an important information as well. A surprise gift for all the participants from Creativity League 2023. But before this, I give you another gift. Let me know how many of you, those who are here today, उनमें से कितने बच्चे क्रिएटिविटी लीग 2023 में थे. How many of you were there in Creativity League 2023 and took a kit from us? Let us know. So we have a lot of students who were in Creativity League 2023 as well. Okay, so I have a gift for you. So if you are buying a kit from us this year, or if you bought a kit from us in the previous year, that means अगर आपने 2023 क्रिएटिविटी लीग में हमसे किट परचेज करी थी, या फिर you are going to purchase a kit from us this year, you will be getting a free of cost mentorship from me. That is this workshop. 6 days workshop is absolutely free for you as well as the students, those who bought the kit previous year as well. Okay. Now the important thing is that workshop में होने क्या वाला है. So day one, I will be telling you welcome to the world of robotics, basic electronics, learning Arduino, motor driver, Bluetooth communication, etc., and about the mechanical body of the robot. Day टू, आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग द लॉजिक बिहाइंड कोडिंग, कि हम लॉजिक कैसे लिखते हैं, हम PWM का कैसे यूज करते हैं, दैट इज पल्स विड्थ मॉड्यूलेशन, how hardware communicates with Bluetooth module, and everything that will be there. So these all things will be taught to you in day 3, day 2, and in day 3 I will be helping you troubleshoot कि there are some debugging tips जैसे checking connection, serial monitor, re-uploading code, common issues that might occur while you are in the competition. So day 3 will be there for troubleshooting. Now there is day 4, that is for robot assembling. So design excellence, build a resilient robot. So there are some things that I would like to share कि एक अच्छा robot कैसे बनाते हैं जो easily खराब नहीं होता, जो easily सारे hardships को पार करके it can go and complete the task effectively. Then there is innovation is a key to earn the bonus point. So innovation एक आपको extra marks भी मिल सकते हैं for your innovation कि आपका robot आपने कितना अच्छा बनाया है. What is extra, what is special, what is innovative about your robot? Okay, so I will be giving you some tips कि आप innovative robot कैसे बना सकते हैं. In day 5 I will be teaching you about types of turning. Learn the techniques of turning, pivot, skid, arc turning, how turning affects the robot's movement in specific scenarios. Okay, so turning is also an essential part for your arena, because wall से आप टच करोगे तो -2 points जाएंगे. So these are some things that you will have to, we will figure out together कि how to move or maneuver your robot in such a way that you minimize your errors, and ये accurate turning से ही हो पाएगा. And day 6 I will be teaching final testing and optimization, how to optimize motor performance, that your robot should move straight, be precise, control movements, okay, code efficiency, speed adjustment, etc. And final assembly tips from my side. Okay, so these are some amazing things that I will be providing to you in this workshop. So I hope the workshop will be fruitful and innovative for you. Okay, so this is the Mechanzo kit that we are talking about. So a lot of students purchased it from us previous year as well, and I'm looking forward to this year as well. So what are the advantages of the Mechanzo kit? So first of all, you have a personal robotics lab at your home. So आप कभी भी robot बना सकते हो, उसके साथ खेल सकते हो, सीख सकते हो. You can learn new things, be innovative, be make a better robot. You have a lot of advantages of having a Mechanzo kit. Second, compatible and upgradable with open source modules. So इसके अंदर जो modules होता है, that is Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module, motor driver, these all are open source and you can upgrade accordingly. You can upgrade according to yourself. So community engagement and networking. So another important thing is that you will be getting a whole community of students who are doing things like you, similar student with the same mindset, with the same brain, who want to achieve something new, achieve something great, and they are constantly working on improving themselves. Enhance coding and electronic skills. So first of all, you will be learning coding. रोबोट को प्रोग्राम कैसे करना है, दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी. एंड देन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्किल्स एज वेल कि रोबोट को कंट्रोल कैसे किया जाता है. डेवलप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एंड क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग स्किल्स कि रोबोट की बॉडी इफेक्टिवली कैसे बनाते हैं, फॉर हाउ टू मेक इट फॉरवर्ड. ओके, सो थिंग्स लाइक दैट. So this is the RoboQuest kit, and now you will be wondering कि सर इसका प्राइस क्या है. So the price for this is 4999. ज्यादा है, चलो कोई नहीं, let me slash down the price for you. So for you the price for this kit is rupees 3000 plus GST for this special time. And आपको एक चीज बता दूं, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. So from today, hear me out very clearly. Yes, this is very important. From today you have a time till 15th October. Note down the date in your notebooks or somewhere else. 15th October. So अगर आप आज से, we have very limited stocks actually. The thing is that a lot of students from all over India are ordering this kit, and we have limited stocks for this kit. तो अगर from today till 15th of October अगर आप किट परचेज करते हो, तो वी विल मेक श्योर कि किट रीचेज यू बिफोर माय मेंटरिंग वर्कशॉप स्टार्ट्स. Okay, so today is 11th, so you have 4 days, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, you have 5 days. Okay, so during these 5 days अगर आपने kit purchase कर ली, we will be sharing the link to buy the RoboQuest controller and also the RoboQuest kit. So kit is not mandatory, kit is optional, but obviously आपको robot बनाना है, so if you don't have one you will be requiring. And if you buy the kit before or on 15th of October, so you will be getting your kit by the time I start my mentoring. That is a 6 day workshop that you will be getting for free. So वो near around 21st October start होगी, right? And मेरा जो तब तक approximately 6 days के अंदर अंदर you will be receiving your kit as well. Shipping cost is included, so you don't have to pay any extra. That is अभी 15th October तक we have slashed down the price for this kit, that is 3000 plus GST. And 15th October is your date if you want to like परचेज इट, एंड आपको चाहिए कि सर एक किट हाथ में होनी चाहिए जब तक वर्कशॉप आए, सो एक्चुअली मैं आपके साथ साथ कर सकूं. सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड फॉर दैट, डू इट बिफोर और ऑन 15th of October, right? So I hope I made myself clear for this. And there are a few things. So this is the robotics kit, and इसके साथ साथ we have slashed down the price as well. So this is all, and I hope I made things clear for you. So your mentoring that will be there from 21 to 26 October. So again, I'm saying ki if you order your kits before 15th October or on 15th October, you will get it on time, uh, about the time where my workshop starts. But उसके बाद करोगे तो I cannot guarantee, because फिर workshop start हो जाएगी and then you will miss out on things. And the zonals are very near. Plus we are doing it on first come first serve basis. आप पहले ऑर्डर करोगे आपको पहले किट मिल जाएगी, ठीक है? एंड बिकॉज वी हैव अ लिमिटेड स्टॉक, सो वी आर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट कि हम जल्दी से जल्दी ये प्रोवाइड कर सकें. सो आई होप दिस सेशन. सो छत्तीसगढ़ वैदिक इंटरनेशनल स्कूल 13th November, Odisha 14th November Vedic International School, Sambalpur, then Delhi NCR Sparsh Global School Noida 15th November, हरियाणा मोगा देवी इन मिंडा मेमोरियल स्कूल हिसार 19th November, पंजाब बिप्स पटियाला 20th November, हरियाणा स्वर्णप्रस्थ पब्लिक स्कूल एसपीएस सोनीपत 22nd 23rd November, उत्तराखंड दून कॉन्वेंट स्कूल हल्द्वानी 26th November, महाराष्ट्र संजीवनी अकेडमी कोपार गांव 27th 28th November, and then MP सत्य प्रकाश पब्लिक स्कूल जबलपुर on 30th November. So I hope you all are clear with the dates now. Yes, I will share with you the dates of the RoboQuest, the link for the RoboQuest controller where you can buy it, the link for the RoboQuest kit as well. Again, okay. So no need. And there is one more thing. So some of you might be having the RoboQuest controller right now. So don't open your RoboQuest controller. That is from my side. So just don't open your RoboQuest controller. आप उसे खोल के पेज से देखोगे तो again कुछ wires lose हो जाएंगे. So we cannot help you then. But if you just use the RoboQuest controller and आप उसे use करोगे accordingly जैसे मैंने आपको सिखाया है, I will be teaching you, so there would be no issues. And still अगर issues आते हैं, we would be there for you. But the condition is that you don't have to open your RoboQuest controller. ऐसे वो होता है ना हमारे अंदर कि अरे इसे खोल के देखना है इसके अंदर क्या है, तो वो करोगे तो then you might break something, then I cannot help you out, right? So don't open your controller and place it जैसे मैं आपको workshop में सिखाऊंगा. So just use it accordingly. Okay. Yes, I have some other doubts. Vansh, what do you want to say? Okay, Vivan from 8th A wants to know कि सर हरियाणा में कब हो रहा है. So बेटा हरियाणा में there is मोगा देवी मिंडा मेमोरियल स्कूल on 19th of November, and Swarnrust Public School, Sonipat, it will be on 22nd 3rd November. Soldering is allowed, you can solder, but then again, if you have an issue, we would not be able to help you out. And I strongly recommend कि अगर आप soldering कर रहे हो तो somebody should be there with you, an adult or a person that can manage these things. Vansh, what is your doubt? uh, please type it in the chat box. you will have to compete in the arena online. तभी तो zonals है. You will be coming to the zonals and you will be participating in each and every of the competition. आपको करना पड़ेगा ये खुद से. Yes, आपको actually में robot दौड़ाना है. आपको problem statement solve करना है. Right? Okay. Okay, will it not happen in Vivekanand School? So we will try our best to make it happen, but for now I cannot say it for definitely. But we will plan something. Don't worry, Keshvi. Okay. Workshop is for the students who will be buying the RoboQuest kit and those who have bought the RoboQuest kit the previous year. I think today's session, today's agenda, the main agenda for today's session was कि आपको मैं बताऊं कि ये RoboQuest वाला arena solve कैसे करना है, game कैसे खेलना है, and these were some of the uh, tips and experiential tips from my side कि robot एक तो दो तीन टिप्स हैं दैट आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर कि योर रोबोट शुड हैव अ ब्रॉडर बेस. हाइट कम होनी चाहिए. हाइट ज्यादा होगी तो वो गिर सकता है. हाइट कम होगी तो वो इट वुड हैव अ बेटर बैलेंस. रोबो को इस कंट्रोलर को ऐसे आप प्लेस करो कि वो नीचे की तरफ फोर्स लगाए, थोड़ा सा फ्रिक्शन जनरेट करे व्हील्स के ऊपर सो दैट योर व्हील्स डोंट स्लिप. नट्स एंड बोल्ट्स को ऐसे रखो, योर नट्स एंड बोल्ट्स आर टाइट और आपकी बॉडी लूज होगी, चैसी लूज होगी तो यू कैन लूज पॉइंट्स. इसलिए क्योंकि योर रोबोट वुड बी स्लो. तो स्टर्डी रोबोट होना चाहिए. आपको सेंटर ऑफ मास चेक करना चाहिए. तो देयर आर थिंग्स लाइक दैट so which I will be covering in the workshop, but these are some experience tips from my side. Okay. And any other tips, sir? Please tell location and date of Uttar Pradesh. It's not Uttar Pradesh. It will be there in Delhi NCR. Okay. It is there in Noida. सो जिन स्कूल्स की मैंने डेट्स दी हैं, इट विल बी हैपनिंग ओनली ऑन दो स्पेसिफिक डेट्स एंड नन अदर. ओके, सो आई होप दिस वाज अ फ्रूटफुल सेशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. आपने कुछ सीखा रोबोट के बारे में. ओके, गेम के बारे में सीखा कि कैसे खेलना है, क्या करना है, हाउ यू आर प्लानिंग, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू प्लान योर गेम अराउंड इट. ओके, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. बाकी हम थोड़ा सीखेंगे इन द वर्कशॉप एज वेल. बट डू रिमेंबर दैट देखो दो चीजें बताता हूँ. एक तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 मेंबर्स की टीम है. यू आर अ टीम ऑफ 3 मेंबर्स. सो मिला के एक कंट्रोलर और एक किट लेनी है. ऐसा नहीं है कि 3 मेंबर्स है तो 3 मेंबर्स को अलग अलग 3 कंट्रोलर 3 किट. नो नो, नथिंग लाइक दैट. इफ यू आर अ टीम ऑफ 3 मेंबर्स, एक सिंगल किट लेनी है, साथ में काम करना है. इफ यू आर अ टीम ऑफ 3 मेंबर्स, एक सिंगल रोबोक्वेस्ट कंट्रोल लेना है. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट आई हैड टू शेयर. एंड 15 अक्टूबर इज द डेट. रिमेंबर, उससे पहले आप कर लेना, तभी आपकी किट आ पाएगी वर्कशॉप तक. अदरवाइज फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. ठीक है. सो okay, so this was a very fruitful session. Just give me 1 minute. Let me bring my phone. And until then, everyone, please turn on your cameras. I want to click a small picture with you. I loved interacting with all of you. You are some amazing, amazing students. Okay, so just turn on your cameras. Let me bring my phone. Okay, so don't worry about it. We will try to. When will it happen in Jabalpur? Advik, I just told you the dates, beta. Be attentive. In Jabalpur, it will be happening on 30th November. Okay. All right. So first of all, let me click a picture with all of you. It was a lovely session. You all have been so amazing. Okay. So everyone smile. Show me your beautiful faces. Smile, everyone. Cheese. Sanjeevni Academy. Wow. Sanjeevni Academy kids are really excited. Great. Hello. Hi. How are you? Okay. Sanjeevni Academy. Wave like this. Yes, amazing, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so did you love the session? If you loved the session, raise hands like this and wave. Okay, amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, great. So it was really beautiful, really great and amazing experience for me. आप लोगों से बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. You all are beautiful students with young, innovative minds, and I am sure you will do wonders in your life. I can see some faces. Uh, where is Aditya, Archana, Devansh, Vikram Aditya, Advik, Kanav, Kushal, Ashraf, Riyansh, Daksh, Advay, Aryan, Shrey. Okay, I want to see your faces. Great. Smile, everyone. I'm clicking a picture. Yes. Now for because there are a lot of students, so I have to click multiple pictures. Smile again. Now smile again. And now for the fourth time, please smile again. Yes. Amazing. And now for the last time, smile for me. So many cute faces. Amazing. Okay, so it was really lovely interacting with you, and I hope to see you in the workshop very soon. Okay, so love you all. Take care. Be innovative. Be creative. Bye. Thank you.